This question I have here is very similar to the compound interest question that I did in a previous video. Just a reminder, £5,000 is put in a bank for 3 years. It pays compound interest of, let's say, 4.3% every year. How much money will I have in my bank after 3 years? So that would be the calculation, 5,000 multiplied by 1.043, because that's the multiplier, to the power of 3, because it's 3 years. So similar is this. A plant is 3 centimeters tall to begin with. Every year it grows by 7%. That's every year. What will the height of the plant be after 4 years? So first of all, the multiplier is not 1.7, that'll be 70%, is 1.07. So to increase something by 7%, you multiply by 1.07. What would the height of the plant after 4 years? So it starts off at 3 centimeters, increases by 1.07, 7% over a period of 4 years. So you do that. 3.93 centimeters after 4 years. That will be the height. Cost of a house begins at £200,000. For the first 3 years, it increases by 7.5%. So the multiplier here is going to be 1.07. That's 7%, but then there's a 5 at the end of it, put the 5 there. So don't do 1.75, that would be 75%. That's 75%, but that's 7.5%. Then the following 5 years, it depreciates. Depreciates means it's opposite of increase, decreases. It goes down by 4%. What will the price be after 8 years? So after 8 years, that's after 3 plus 5, what will the price of the house be at the end of all this? So you begin with 200,000. You begin with 200,000 multiplied by 7.5%, the 1.05, over a period of 3 years. And then it goes down by 4%. So the multiplier is not going to be 1.04. It'll actually be 0.96. Now in a previous video I explained why it's 0.96. It's going down. Notice number bonds, 96 plus the 4 makes 100. Over a period, so it goes down by 4% over a period of 5 years to the power of 5. So that's what I'm going to work out. Make sure you typed in the right number of zeros. Very easy to make that mistake in the exam. Alright, remember this is money we're talking about. Here, you round to 2 decimal places. Now, house prices are not normally specified to that much detail, but I'm just showing you what it would be based on the calculations that I've done.